Hello and welcome to Options Trading Power. I hope you've already had a look at our site, optionstradingpower.com, and registered for all the up-to-date information. But today we're really pleased to be able to share with you the launch of OptionBot 2, the world's most accurate binary options indicator. And you can get the link to get hold of that immediately. You see at the top there, dld.bz/optionswin. But let's just find out a little bit more about it. Remember, we're dedicated to giving you elite insight on options trading, finding the most balanced options strategies. And the significance of this options spot is quite significant because it's very substantial. One of the biggest things that hinders independent traders that are starting out is that feeds cost between $500 and $2,000 a month from all the main sources. So unless you're trading upwards of $3,000 a month of profit, it's really cost prohibitive to get one of those feed systems and gain an edge whilst you're trading currency. But we got an email today, get loads of these telling us about the next big thing in binary options, blah, blah, blah. Like an idiot, I checked it out. It was a familiar product. It was Options 2. And Options 2, as I'm already an OptionsBot 1 customer, I thought, well, I didn't really want to move forward financially. And I just sort of stayed at the same level. Every time I did things, it was quickly wiped out by losing trades. I didn't have a bang opinion of software. I just didn't really have an opinion at all. But boy, was I wrong. This new version is simply incredible. It's faster. Had no issues installing it. The last version was a real pig to get working correctly. But the service I got from them was really different this time. A nice lady called Debbie called me up and made sure the software was working correctly. And she explained how the software now works and how it's been improved. And I was really given a golden opportunity to sit in a webinar, which was a tad expensive, but this webinar was the making for me. So starting to make real money, and I wasn't getting wiped out early on, I just kept building. And now I have a second income that I feel I can rely on. So knowing there are real people at the end of the phone that want you to succeed is also really something you need to make the step from skeptic to home trader. So while I wouldn't quit my day job just quite yet, it certainly seems like a great deal having something extra to boost my weekly income. What would I say to anyone that is thinking of trying this out is have a good look at the site, have a good look at what they're doing for people, and get stuck in. I did, and so far, fingers crossed, it's not a bad decision. And it's not a decision I regret in the least. So, if you want to get to the world's most accurate binary options indicator and get this process for just a small sum compared to all the other feeds that are available, then have a look at the link there, http://dld.bz/optionswin, and you will get some winning trades soon. Thanks very much for joining us on optionstradingpower.com, and we'll see you soon.